All right, so really quick, I just wanted to show you how to write your equations in the correct format. In Google, you'll have something like y equals, I don't know, I'm just making this up, say 25.4 x plus 2.1. Again, I just made that up. You probably got something totally different. So to translate this into the correct format, here's what I want you to do, okay? First of all, you have two variables in any investigation that directly answer your question. In our case, the question was, what's the relationship between position and time for a battery-powered vehicle, right? So one of these variables should be position, the other is time, right? And so y, you would replace with the word position, equals. And then x, you would replace with the word time, okay? And then in the parentheses, or in the brackets, I want you to write the number with the units. So if Google gave you 2.1, my question is, well, 2.1 what, right? Since this number here is the vertical intercept, that's like, if you have a line, that's like where the line hits the vertical axis, okay? And this is measured in centimeters. So that would be 2.1 centimeters, right? And then you've got, let's see here, you've got a slope, which is the slope of this line. So slopes are a change this way in the vertical divided by a change this way, okay? We use a symbol triangle to represent change. So change is like triangle X for change in position. Change in time is triangle T, okay? That's final position minus initial position is the change in position. Final time minus initial time is a change in time. So if I take, so any slope is my change in the vertical, which in this case is position, divided by my change in time, okay? So in this case I have 25.4. Now my vertical is measured in centimeters. So that's 25.4 centimeters divided by 1 second, okay? So now I have the correct format. This is what I'm looking for, okay? And then your next step would be to explain the meaning of this slope in words and explain the meaning of this intercept in words. Now the intercept's easier because you can see right away it's centimeters, which is measuring a position. So it's a position of what? Well, in this lab it was a car. So centimeters tells me it's probably a position. It's either position or time, right? And centimeters tells me it has to be position. So it's a position of the car. And then you should be really specific here and tell me when the car was supposed to be at that position according to our results. And then for the slope, you should be able to write a sentence like, for every second, comma, and you should be able to complete that sentence. It should be describing the meaning of that slope. Something about the position is probably like changing. So when you gain a second, something is happening to the position, and that slope is telling you that. So understanding what your slope and intercept mean are like critical for the class, and we're going to base everything on this. So I'm just trying to help give you a guide on how to start doing this process. We'll be doing this all year. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good day.